Hi guys, let's do 11-11 Recalls, and this is makeup edition. Gagawa tayo ng super simple na makeup, and wala akong vanity mirror today, sorry for my background. So let's start off with my brows. So I have here the Get Ready With Me Brow Lift Max, and this 11-11 is naka buy one take one to. So abang-abang na lang. By the way, this is not my first time to try this. If you've been following me, ito yung kauna-unahang local brand na laminating product na try ko. So again and again, dual-ended to. This one is grooming side at ito naman yung pang-laminating side nila. So we're gonna coat our eyebrows in the opposite direction. And then let's brush it up like this. Look at the difference. Grooming side pa lang yan ha. Next is color corrector. Ever since na na-try ko talaga tong Get Ready With Me in the shade medium peach. Like, girl, ang ganda talaga. You can actually see, like, I'll show you when it start to blend it. Look at that. Diba? It color corrects my under eye area without feeling heavy or kahit match siya and thick yung formula niya, hindi mo talaga mafe-feel na meron kang color corrector. Like, look at that. This is with and without. Diba? It instantly covers my under eye. So, para sa mga mahilig magpuyat dyan, ito na kasagutan nyo, te. And for the base, kung gusto mo ng skin tint, ito yung ma-recommend ko sa inyo. This one is from Get Ready With Me. Your daily skin tint. I'm in the shade beige medium warm. And this one is from Skintific. This is in the shade 03 Petal. This is their Daily Filter Perfect Skin Tint. And both of them is not wear test ko na. And I might say na these two are medium to buildable coverage. Ang nagustuhan ko talaga dito is this one, it feels like meron siyang pagka-dewy. And this one is a demi-matte finish. And if ayaw mo ng skin tint, I have two here na foundation. And this one is from Strokes and Easy. Both are maganda sa lapat ng skin. This one feels skin-like yung finish niya. At saka ito naman is full coverage. If gusto mo ng clean girl makeup, then I highly suggest Easy. Pero kung gusto mo ng pakak or marami kang kachismisan sa mukha, then use these Strokes. So since pupunta tayo ng school today, magsi-skin tint lang tayo. Like, I'm using this Get Ready With Me Daily Skin Tint. By the way, guys, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. Nagsispray muna ako ng Daba before blending this out. Like, look at that coverage. Diba? It evens out my skin. Oh. As I've mentioned before, ang ganda ng formula ng Get Ready With Me. So guys, this 11-11, ang dami nilang pasabog. So abang-abang na lang talaga. Lahat ng pinapakita ko ngayon is not sponsored. Sadyang nagustuhan ko lang talaga sila. I'm going in with my bronzer and still from Easy. This is in the shade Molten. And for the liquid blush, guys, hindi ko na kayo papahirapan pa again. I love this Vice Cosmetics. These are actually matte. Hindi ko gusto yung mga dewy na blush nila. So, I usually go in with this Forever Charming. Ang ganda nito. Peachy shade. Like this. Like, ang ganda niya. It's very natural sa skin. Like, look at that. And for my concealer, I'm going in with my Strokes. Here. Here. Ayan siya, minamarinate ko lang ng ganyan. And to intensify my bronzer, I'm going to use this Barry M. This is their powder bronzer. So, like, not too much. Kasi super pigmented nito, guys. Like, ayan. Just to set the cream bronzer, rather, na pinut up natin kanina. Ayan. Start to blend this out. As well as our under eye area. Lately, gustong gusto ko tong blush na to from BYS. This is in the shade Perfectly Peach. Like, sobrang ganda lang niya talaga sa cheeks. Like, look at that. Diba? This is with and without. And to set my under eye with powder, I love using this Vice Cosmetic Universal Fix. This is their bake setting powder, like ito. And then I tap it like that and put it here. Like, sobrang ganda nito, guys. It brightens up my, like, look at that. This is with and without. Para mawala yung pagka-powderiness ng mukha ko, I always spray this Dalba just to hydrate my skin. Next is to overline my lips. I'm using the Sunny's Face in the shade Nudie. It's like MLBB. This one's very creamy and ang ganda niya sa lips. And for the lippies, I have 4 shades here from Visco X Large Puree. They're actually diffuse lip bullets. So here's the hand swatch. So obsessed, so effortless, so loved, at so serene. So basically, napakita ko na sa inyo yung So Serene, which I love. So ngayon, gagamitin natin is So Effortless. So sa ganitong diffuse lip bullet is I just tap it like this. Ganyan. I don't swipe it out. So ayan siya sa ating lips. It's so MLBB. To set my whole face, I'll be using this Vice Cosmetic 24-hour lock setting spray bago ako maglagay ng cluster lashes. Like, this will lock my makeup the whole day. My cluster lashes is from Eliza. Guys, ganito siya kaganda sa aking mata. Like, look at that. So, ayan siya, both eyes. Sobrang ganda. So, here's the final look. What do you guys think?